Freaking. That's not even revenge, guys. That's just like putting someone out of their misery. Good morning, YouTube. This video has everything. We got rats. We got a Kingslayer who gets 2 Vtol Warships. We got a great comeback win. If you guys dig the free-for-all content, smash me a like, let me know in the comments. And as always, tickle the subscription button. And guys, give the bell a big smooch. We're going this way because I think someone spawns in the kitchen to the left.
Free-for-all.
Someone was just here. They spawned right here, I think. Kingslayer! He was in the last game! I hate this room. I hate this room so much. So I heard something. Didn't want him to get away, folks. This is sometimes a reasonable little area.
Copy that. UAV online and launching the AO. UAV standing by.
Where'd he go? Oh, I see him. Come on! I got robbed, and I'm angry.
UAV is bingo fuel.
People spawn here.
Online.
Bad reload, guys. Bad reload. Bad reload. Okay, we got this. We got this. Stop whining. Whoa! I hope he gets the most kills in the game. Freaking. That's not even revenge, guys. That's just like putting someone out of their misery. You know what I mean? That's so embarrassing to be him. Pre-fire! I pre-fired that fool, guys. I pre-fired that fool. I hate being back here. You gotta run, you gotta cross.
Hostile care package in the area.
This is not a good place to be, guys. Whoa! Okay. I know where I am now, so that's good. No! Right here. That's how you juke that fool. There's one more.
Enemy bomb drone is in the area.
There's another one that was coming at me, too.
Hostile Vtol in the area.
Someone get the... Ah! God, I thought there was one on the left as well. Okay, so we can't go outside. And if we do... Yeah, he saw me first! God, this is bad. Just... drop it. Oh my God! The Vtol can shoot from the sky? I mean, it can shoot in the house? Is what I meant. What it... Okay, okay. Everyone's... Oh my God. Is it gone yet? Still up there. Camper boy almost went back to his favorite spot. What? There's no way! There's no way! I screwed that up so bad, and I just killed 2 people off of that, guys. That was, like, insane. That was the worst play ever.
Hostile Vtol incoming. You're closing on the...
Come on. The Vtol's coming, guys. I don't like being over here. Getting out here is kind of a hassle with this gun. Ah! Oh man, that was feeling good.
Hostile mortar strike near your position.
He shot me through the vase, guys.
Enemy UAV active.
I don't like this at all. Camper boy. No! And that kill goes to the guy that's beating me too. Kingslayer boy.
Ready for tasking. Copy that. UAV on. Counter UAV ready. Hostile mortar strike incoming. Area. Be advised, UAV is exiting the AO.
I don't know where he is, guys. Dang it, I reloaded! I didn't even shoot bullets!
Copy. Counter UAV is blocked.
I turned on the sound, guys. Still didn't get it. Okay. Come on. They're all around me, guys. Oh! Come on, I'm catching up, guys.
Counter UAV is returning to base.
Wow. That was bad, guys. I was glitch reloaded, you know what I mean? No! Get up there, man! That guy heard me coming from a mile away. He's probably gonna be here again. What a freaking piece of crud. What a freaking loser, guys. I can't go that way. I don't want to. What a piece of crud that guy is. I'm sorry.
active.
This is it.
Copy that. UAV online and orbiting the AO.
I couldn't see him. I was looking at the freaking flowers.
10 seconds remaining.
10 seconds, guys. I won. Ha!
Mission complete.
Yeah, baby. Threw the vase in the face.